Carlito here from www.215tvwallmounting.com, here to show you my latest work with the remote controlled electronic wall mount. So yes, what we have here is a 55-inch TV, and we have the Bose soundbar mounted symmetrically to the TV. This is the setup for the remote control TV wall mount, and don't mind the wires because I am going to work from this electrical outlet, come along the bottom of the window base and come up from the side to the back of the TV with a new installed electrical outlet. So for now, we just have a extension cord set up to get power to the TV and the soundbar. And this is the electronic remote controlled arm swivel full motion mount. Comes down pretty low in front of the fireplace for a eye-to-eye view, and this is the setup for the remote controlled full motion arm TV wall mount. I am only here marketing the labor involved. I am not at any point affiliated with any manufacturers of the product. I'm just here to show you the installation work. So what I'll do is I'll show you one more picture of how the TV looks once it's on the wall. Let me just get a little bit of a balance. And we're here. And right about there is the final work. It really looks great. Beautiful look. The Bose soundbar is very complimental. All the work is still not done. We still have to do some fish and wires work, electrical work. We're going to install an outlet again, as I mentioned earlier, behind the TV. And this is what we have. This looks fantastic. You could find this work, accessories, products, scheduling, and availability at www.215tvwallmounting.com. Until next time, thanks for stopping by, y'all.